Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's Bennington dealer. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 Bennington 22 SSRX. They did change the model name on it for this year, so it's now called the SXSR. This boat is a tri-tune, full tri-tune with the SPS Performance Package, and has a Yamaha 150 horsepower motor on it, and it's going to have a ski tow bar as well, so plenty of power to pull the skiers and tubers and all that. I'm going to climb aboard here so I can give you guys a better view of the inside. This boat has the smoky granite exterior color. It's a little hard to see today, it's a little cloudy and overcast, but it's a beautiful color. It's a darker gray that has a metallic in it. It has the platinum interior with the espresso accent and the bamboo woven vinyl flooring. Wood grain table that's removable. Same thing, these cup holders are portable, so you can put them anywhere inside the boat that you'd like. Got a nice little cell phone pocket on the side now as well. We have the captain and co-captain's chair, and again the same style seats in the rear of the boat, the same loungers. They also call this boat a quad bench or a stern radius. Nice console here. We've got the upgraded Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo with the color screen, a color Garmin Striker 4 as well. Boat does come with a full cover and a bimini top. And check out all the other boats we got in as well. They're all for sale. Come on by and see us at MarineMax Greenville, South Carolina.